Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So I've made a heart using an orange color and then an yellow color is being twisted and circled them and made like a roses and make this multiple roses and stick onto the heart craft paper. So a blue color craft paper and the shining craft paper is being taken and here a pot is being done and a green leaf is being stuck onto it and make a flowers and the petals and stick one by one to the flower vases. Use a glue gun, roll them using a buds and stick onto it. So and black color branches of trees is being taken and the natural leaf is being taken and stuck onto the blue color paper. So and then take a bottle cap, cut them into tiny pieces using a cutter, make this with multiples and here's a watercraft that is being created. Stick the flowers one by one. Stick this one to make a green color leaves made by the green craft papers. And then a purple color is being taken, fold them into multiple halves, cut them and then using a scissors cut the petals and rotate them one by one and stick it one by one and use a stick and here's a paper that is being stuck onto the craft paper and the leaf is being stuck and the bow and the heart is being stick onto the paper. And then a pink color paper is being taken, cut them, make a flower using that and take a black sketch, draw them, cut into the scissors, combine them and then draw the branches using a black sketch, keep a pot shapes and stick onto the paper. A black color paper is being taken, a pink color paper that is being made into triangle shapes, into cone shapes, stick together one by one and stick the green leaves together. And then an yellow color paper is being taken, a purple color flowers that is being created and stuck. Here's a fishes that is being created using a craft paper and stick a greens together in the grasses of the frame is being created. Next, again a craft paper is being taken, folded into multiple times and then fold them, keep it one by one with different color shades, stick the leaves and the butterfly. An yellow color is being taken, a leaf is being taken, stick them, a green color leaf is being made, use a pencils, draw them one by one, same way and here's a corn that is being created and stick it using a color sheet, stick onto the top. Next a green leaf is being taken, make it like a flowers and the butterflies, draw the butterfly bodies and the feathers and the eyes, nose and then the top layer of the butterfly and here's a frame that is being created. Next a pink color craft paper is being taken, circle them, draw the nose, lipstick, the circles and another inner circles and the ears is being stick and then the nose is being created. Here a pig is being created, the nose and here the pig images that is being shaded with a black color. Roll the pink paper and stick onto it. So here's a pig image.